Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create TikTok ads account without getting banned. Now, this is a walkthrough video. I posted a video about this. Now, this video is pretty much going to have a screen record of one of my employees going through the whole process and showing you from A to Z how to create an account without getting banned. Now, a lot of you guys have been requesting this, so let's go straight at it. But before, I want to mention that TikTok ads have laxed on bans. So if you used to run personal loans or debt relief and you used to always get banned, now the bans have subsided quite a bit. So if you're able to create accounts without getting insta-banned from the beginning, you should have smooth sailing from there on out. So go ahead, pull out your laptop and follow along and enjoy the video.
Alright, so first thing you want to do is you want to create an email. Do not use your personal information. Just make, any name, any last name, password, and then you make that account. And then after that, you go on TikTok Ads Manager and you create an account here. You enter in that email that you just made. And then you create a password, something simple, something that you won't forget. And you probably should record all your information. Just get a Google Sheets, put all your information in, all your emails, all your passwords, just so you wouldn't forget. So then you continue, you verify. Then TikTok sends a verification code to your new email. You might have to wait a little bit, so just give it a few seconds. Oh, there it is. And then you choose your industry. So let's say you do e-commerce, and then you just press other, business name. You just come up with whatever you want. I'll use TT for TikTok, Clipper, and then phone number. You just put a random phone number just in case they flag you for it. So let's say 916, and then 235-2234. And then also you should probably record that as well. Put it in your sheets. Make sure you customize your account because you need to have the right time zone, or your runtime is going to be all messed up. So Los Angeles, click here, get started. And then your state, Washington. Okay, go to Ads Manager. So here you pretty much created a personal account. What you want to do is you press over here on this suitcase looking icon, Business Center, and you want to create a Business Center account. Create new. So enter your business name, the right time zone, and then describe your business. Instead of agency, you do advertiser, and then company name. So same thing as your business name, Clipper. Then company website. So you could just put anything random. I use, something like lovesickpeople.com. You enter that. It doesn't really matter. That won't affect you. E-commerce, other. Okay, billing information. You do United States, billing address. So for the billing address, you want to use whatever account you're using, and that will be. And then primary contact, you just put in the same name as your email. So Mary Dickens. You put in your email again. And then the same phone number that you put when you were creating the account, just so it wouldn't get flagged. And after that, you just press create. So you have, this is pretty much your business account, but what you want to do is you want to create an advertiser account for your business account. So you go to advertiser accounts and you create new right here. So TT Clipper, the right time zone. So this information, you really need to have it there. You could leave it, but I just erase it. Alright, after you're done, you go over here, Ads Manager. So this is where you run your ads. First thing you want to do, so you create an asset, right? A pixel, and a pixel just helps with tracking. So manage web events, right? So create pixel. You can name it whatever you want. So let's say we're running loans, and my name is TT Clipper, so I'll do TTC loan pixel number 1. You press TikTok pixel, manually install pixel code, event builder. Alright, you don't do anything on this page. And then you press enter URL keywords. And here you scroll down and you find submit form. And here you could just write whatever. So thank you. And then don't forget to just delete that. Okay, so now you have your pixels right here. We're gonna get back to that. We're still gonna need some information from that. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to create a warm-up campaign just to warm up your account. So you create a campaign right here, custom mode, and we won't do website conversions yet, but we'll just go reach. So we'll do warm-up campaign. We don't do categories yet. We'll do that when we're gonna be running the loan campaign. Continue. Warm up. Nothing here. You'll just do 20, and you'll run it right now. So whenever after you publish. So for your warm-up video, you could just get a video off of YouTube, you know, a funny animal video, just a video that's shorter than 1 minute. So we'll do silly for our identity, silly animals. And then you find that video, you download it to your applications, and then while that's uploading, you'll do a text. So check out this funny cat. That's pretty much it for the warm-up campaign. You submit it. And then after that, what you need to do is you need to add payment method. So after you press payment method, it takes you over here to this tab, and then you update finance manager, update, and then it takes you to your finances. And what you do is you plug in your new information, the credit card that you have, the information for like cardholder name. What you want to do is, depending on how much accounts you're gonna make, you don't want to use the same name all the time because you're gonna get flagged and your accounts are gonna get banned. So we just do Mary Dickens right here. And then for the street address, that might be an issue too. So what I do, you know, you just go to some random house and then you get their address. All right, and after that, you just submit. Okay, you're done. So your warm-up campaign, it's running. And so you have to wait for it to review, but what you can do, you don't want to spend too much money on your warm-up. It's just, you know, to show the bots that you're using the account. And what you want to do is you want to create a new rule. So you could use, you know, $2, $3. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna set up a rule where it automatically turns off the campaign after it uses this amount of money, you know, just in case you forget to turn it off. So if total cost of each object today is greater than, I'm gonna do, you know, 150, so $1.50, then you turn off. You run every 30 minutes. Do not notify me. Then you just name the rule warm up, right? And now you're done with the rule. And so technically you want to wait for the warm up to deliver and to, you know, pass inspection to be active. But just to save time, we're going to create we're just going to create the main campaign. So custom mode here, what you want to do is website conversions. So we're going to do TTC loan campaign 1, and what you want to do is you want to declare it as credit, because if you don't, since we're running loan, it's going to get flagged and you're going to get banned. Add group, use the pixel you created. So here, you know, you have the pixel you created, and then you do an optimization event. So submit form. Here you want to turn off, you go advanced settings, turn off user comments, video download, video sharing, scroll. Alright, for a budget, you want to start off at the minimum, which is $20, and you want it to run on the day after, so tomorrow. And so depending on the offer, you need to find out when is the best time to run. So here it's 6 a.m. Then here, so that was you were just prepping the ad group. Now you're prepping the ad, and you want to change your identity, and for your identity, do something unique as well. So and just to make it more legit, what you could do is you could edit a photo here. Okay, now what you need to do is you need to upload the video you're gonna use, so you're creative. Whether that's given to you or whether you find your own, make sure you let your account manager know what you're trying to run. You upload that. Then you could write a text, so check your eligibility status now. Make sure that's running. This video won't work, so different video right here. This one's good. Alright, so what you want to do is you want to create, instead of using just the website, you want to create a TikTok instant page. Press create, customize your own. It doesn't have to be anything, you know, difficult. It's just a simple procedure. So call to, you know, we're going to use call to action buttons and just text. So text, something simple as this, question mark. What you want to do is just increase the font right there, make it bold, and then add component, text, not add component, call to action button. And let's say, you know, the most you can get is 50K, so what we'll do is split it in half. So if you want, you know, under 50K, Then what you want to do is you want it to be centered, so you just add text right here, another text. What you need is you need to find your tracking link. So what you do is you go on transparent offers, depending on the offer you're running. Also, don't forget to add sub IDs. You don't have to, but it's going to be easier to track and to make sure you know what campaign is making you the money, you know, just so you would know which one to scale later. So this one's called, so let's do TTC. Okay, copy that. Right, so for this tracking link, the website I'm going to use is going to be a little bit different than what's on the offer. Then you just hit complete. Alright, so this is all set. And then what you do is you make a few copies of that video. So you have this one ad set and you make, let's say, 3 more copies. Make sure everything is good. Okay, you're good. Then you submit it. And then what you also want to do, turn this off right now just so it wouldn't be active, but what you want to do is you want to create a few copies of your ad group. So we had that one ad group and it had, well, it depends on what your budget is, but with that one ad group we're going to be spending $20 a day maximum. And so if you have that money, then you make a few more ad groups. When you're copying an ad group, all you're going to need to do is pretty much, you could change the name if you want, not necessary, but all you're going to do is you're going to, for the optimization event, you're going to put submit form, so don't forget to do that. And you're going to change your schedule so it would run tomorrow, not right now. Right, I think that's it. So submit that. Okay, so what I would recommend is I wouldn't make the loan campaign right after the warm-up, because you might get flagged for that. So what I would do is I'll create the warm-up, let it run, let it be active, pass inspection, and once you're done with running that, then you create the loan campaign. And that's about it.